In this video, I'm going to find the derivative of a constant times a function. So let's say my function is y is equal to f of x, okay? And let's say my constant c is a real number. It's an element of the real number line. We want to find out the derivative of c times f of x. And let me call this new function maybe g of x. So finding the derivative of g of x is equivalent to finding the derivative of constant c times f of x. So what is the derivative of g of x? G prime of x, and by definition that is limit h approaches 0, g of x plus h minus g of x divided by h, and that is going to give me limit h approaches 0. Now g of x is c times f of x. C is just a constant, so g of x plus h is going to be c times f of x plus h minus g of x, which is just c times f of x. All of it divided by h. Now that is equal to limit h approaches 0. I could factor out c on the numerator right here. That's going to give me f of x plus h minus f of x, all of it divided by h. Now c is a constant, and the limit is not going to be impacted by moving the constant out, right? So that's going to give me c times limit h approaches 0, f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. But, by the way, please note that this is nothing but f prime of x, right? So the derivative of g of x or g prime of x, which is going to be equal to c times f prime of x. So that is to say that the derivative of c times f of x is nothing but c times the derivative of f with respect to x, which by the way is nothing but c times f prime of x. I hope that this discussion was helpful. Thank you very much.